Dirk, how are you, sir?
Good.
Thank you for spending a couple minutes of your very busy day here at SEMA.
Always.
Oh, you're too kind. Well, a friend of the Collision Vision, really appreciate you. Wanted to get caught up. What are you doing out here? How has SEMA been so far for you?
SEMA, awesome. It's really busy. So I had a few meetings here, different vendors here, so talking about diagnostic tools, for example. That was the main interest for me, what solutions are out there.
Sure.
Then I deal right now with the recycling industry, for example, and they have challenges. And they're receiving more and more electric vehicles or hybrids, so they remove the battery pack and then scrap the vehicle. And the battery pack lays then on their lot for weeks, months. They have to move them. They have to get them to a recycling facility where that specific battery gets recycled. So my concerns is like, okay, how are educated the technicians who remove those batteries? We know how to recycle a lot, so they are not regular technicians, and they're getting now a new skill set, so they have to do this. So I start beginning of December, providing training to those recycling facilities.
Fantastic.
And so we built a training facility in Ohio with my friends from the Energy Security Agency together.
Yes.
So this is full on running. And what I want to give those technicians is like capabilities that they can diagnose a battery pack when it lays on their floor. That they know also over a longer time, okay, that's safe, that's good. And then how you store the battery, how you package that to send that to the recycling facility. And this is also something for the collision industry.
Sure.
You deal with damaged defective batteries. What are the shipping requirements? How you label that, how you send that something. There's so much coming our way right now, so I'm busy.
Man, every time we talk, I'm enlightened. There are so many problems that you guys are solving that don't even think about existing from a layman's perspective, but then you bring it up and you're like, oh man, you're absolutely right. What a major issue to tackle. So appreciate all the hard work there, doing it for the industry. What else you got going on? Anything we can talk about with some new projects?
Unfortunately, there's always things what I'm not saying, can talk about it. Then there is behind the scenes, of course, a couple of issues here and there. And for me, the good thing is they deploy me and say, Dirk, can you figure this out?
Yeah.
Why we had a fire here or we had something like that. Another big interesting thing is, for example, high voltage battery storage.
Yep.
So there is, for example, a solar park somewhere, they have a big storage container that we talk massive battery packs.
Yeah.
And they have from time to time an issue, so how we fix this. So it's not only my life is a little bit bigger than only collision or automotive.
Yep.
And somehow I slipped into that, and it's super interesting. So to learn about those different
fantastic
industries as well.
Absolutely. Anything else before we leave that you're excited to see this week before you head home?
Yeah, of course, we are here in front of the ICA booth, so, I have a big heart for ICA, worked there for 3 years, and I appreciate everybody, and I had to say hello to everybody. So for me, see old colleagues as well, and I report them a little bit how I'm doing. So,
awesome. Well, no better place in the world to see friends in the automotive industry than right here at SEMA. And on that note, a pleasure to see you, my friend.